Welcome to learn how to use Musaffa stock screener filters. Let's dive into the Musaffa stock screener and see how to use Musaffa stock screener filters. From the Musaffa homepage, click on the Stocks tab at the top left corner of the navigation bar to get started. Select the Compliance category and ratios from the Compliance and Financial Screening filters. Then, move to the General filters and choose your preferred metrics among our amazing filters. You can modify these filters however you want for a custom approach. Then, just scroll down to see all the stocks that fit these criteria. You can sort them however you want by clicking on the parameter you prefer. When you find a preset you like, click on the star to add the stocks to your watch list and save changes. You can also create a new watch list on the spot for the future. To see your newly selected stock in your watch list, go to the watch list top right corner of the navigation bar. That's a quick rundown of how to use the Musaffa new stock screener filters. You are all set to start finding new halal investments.